y'all, it's Amber from Exile. Happy Saturday, everybody. Don't forget, today we are here till 4. We've got financing, we've got Wellway, we've got some of the best deals around, and today I have one of the best used videos I've had in a while. Smith & Wesson M&P 1522. Perfect for the squirrels, or if you want to teach your little ones, or just need a new 22 in your collection. $250 plus tax is going to take her home. Miss Crystal has convinced me I don't need 2 KSGs, which is kind of crazy because I think I do. All black with her box, y'all. She's only $550 plus tax. 12 gauge, they are perfect for the trunk or home defense or anything like that, y'all. Smith & Wesson Shield 2.0 9mm with her extra mag and the Techniclip. She's only $250 plus tax. Sky CPX1 in the orange with her box for only $140 plus tax. Something absolutely beautiful here, y'all. SIG P220 45 2 extra mags. This is the Equinox. She's only $475 plus tax. I had to fight Justin, y'all. Y'all know he's a lot bigger than me, but we have a used Glock 19 Gen 4 with her box for $375 plus tax. These things are super hard to come by brand new, even harder to come by used. FN 57 with her box, 1,000 plus tax is going to take her home. Y'all definitely call, pay for her over the phone. She's not going to make it all day. Taurus TCP little 380 with her box, 140 plus tax. Stevens 320 with your longer barrel, 12 gauge. She's 150 plus tax. Last but definitely not least, Weatherby Vanguard 7 mag. This thing is going to take down anything you need it to. She's got the Vortex Crossfire 2, 3x9x40. She's only $450 plus tax. Y'all definitely swing by, check out all the great deals we're running. Don't forget to like, share, comment on the videos. We'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.